Hello everyone, how you guys are doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. I want to quickly kind of show y'all my Poshmark closet. You heard right. My Poshmark closet. It is officially open. I've had my closet for actually quite some time now. It's actually been years that I've had my Poshmark closet. I don't know if there's a way where I can kind of show you that, how long I've been on Poshmark, but I've been on here for quite some time. But I am first of all, I want to give shout out to everyone that's been supporting my closet. I want to thank you so much. I have been getting sales, and I just want to thank you. I really want to take the time to thank y'all. But this is my closet. So if you want to purchase anything, definitely ask me how you can go about doing that. If you do that, you would definitely get $10 towards your purchase. So I just want to give you a heads up there. Of course, you see that my umbrella sold as well as my fire stick. And then some clothes, also pants and a shirt. And so, yeah, I've been on here for years, like I said. I want to say this is what 2022. So I want to say that I started my Poshmark, and it may be, I want to say maybe 2019. I think 2019 or 2018 when I very first started. Um, but yeah. I would actually go in my settings, but I don't want to like hit anything that's private or whatever. But yeah, but I'm gonna take the time and look and give y'all that information. But yeah, this is it. If you have questions or concerns, please hit me up. But this is my closet. I just want to show y'all. And just ask me how you can get my, because you have to get my direct link, by the way. You have to like if you want the $10 credit. All right, so that's why it's important for you to hit me up and ask me how you can how you can go about doing that. All right. And that link will actually take you directly to Poshmark. You can set you up a free account and you can start purchasing things on my closet. But you want to ask me first about how you can get that link so you can get your $10. You don't want to set your account up first and then ask me, because you're not going to be able to get your $10 credit. I just want to like be, very transparent and kind of state that and let y'all know that. All right. That's really it. I'm going to end it on this note. But yeah, and I'm going to put a ton of more products in my closet as well on my store. My store is called Keke the Laos Boys, in the Laos Boys. Okay. And so here, that is right here, Keke and the Laos Boys store. All right, I'm very proud. And the boys are very proud. My boys is very proud of the store. But yeah, that's it. Have questions, you know how to hit me up. Until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey y'all. I had just got done saying in the previous video that I was going to like let you guys know, give you the information you need to know to learn, or I say to learn, but to know how long I've been on Poshmark, and I said I was going to tell you guys. So here's the info. I just didn't want to go directly into the settings and show something that I would have to edit. I'm being lazy. I don't feel like editing. I know how to edit. I just don't feel like doing it because it's a process for me. I'm not tech savvy there in that department to do it really fast. All right. So I know how to edit things. It just take time, and if I'm gonna be 100% honest with you, I'm lazy. Don't want to sit there and do that. So I just figured that I'll just make another video to show you the info. And again, I believe in being honest. I just wanted y'all to know how long I actually been on Poshmark. And I've been a Posher since February the 8th of 2019. Again, I appreciate the love and support I'm getting. I really didn't have that many followers and now I've gained so many followers since I've been back active on Poshmark. And to be honest, I hadn't had that many items in my closet either. I just had a few things, maybe about if I'm about maybe about 5 or 6 things that was in my closet, and now I have way more. I have like I think 42 or 45 listings inside of my Poshmark closet now. So I have way more than I did. And so yeah, so I've gained a lot of followers just in the past week or two, maybe 2 weeks. But I'm very proud of the support and love and support I'm getting, and I'm proud of the purchases that people have been purchasing from our store. The boys is so excited. Also, my boys are very excited. And excuse me, and they've been really all smiles through the whole process of because I'm including them in. I'm telling them when we getting sales, and they are really excited. And so I like to bring them in. I like to include them, and they just love the whole experience. So, but yeah, so if you have questions, please just let me know. But I definitely wanted to show y'all how long I've been a posture for. And so yeah, I've been in the game for ever since 2019. Obviously the proof is here. But I just been more active lately in my closet. And so yeah. So if you want to purchase anything from my store, you got 2 ways of going about it. About to be a third way. I don't want to mention the third way as of yet, but 2 ways: either directly from my store website, or you can just go directly to Poshmark. But again, ask me how you can get their $10 credit. You would have to reach out to me first in order to get the credit. Otherwise, if you just went directly, set up your account on Poshmark, you may not get that $10 credit. Okay, you definitely want the $10 credit to go towards your purchases. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to end it on this note. Just want to show you the proof, like I said, and I guess I'll talk to you guys later. All right, have an amazing day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.